Get crystal clear video evidence of people and vehicles by using AI auto tracking. AI auto tracking uses advanced machine learning technology combined with the PTZ's 360-degree pan and optical zoom to track people and vehicles without the need of an operator. Gather fine details about a vehicle, such as its body wrap signage, number of people inside, or even items inside a used tray. Here, the PTZ uses predefined rules to track its target. The camera detects the subject, then quickly follows and zooms into the vehicle for clear, enhanced detail. Once out of frame, the camera will return to its default position. Auto tracking is not only activated through the camera's predefined rules, it can also be activated through other AI camera set detection rules or through alarm system detectors such as PIR sensors or door detectors. Interested in adding AI auto tracking into your security system? Get in touch with our team today to get a free inquiry.